Guys, parking.
We have a 3 car lineup over here: 911 Turbo S, 997 Turbo, and GT2 RS. And that's Dr. Nene right there. And look at this public reaction, damn. And we have also got a M5 competition. So what's up guys, this is Mehul and welcome back to yet another video. So right now I'm at the location and today it's gonna be the most exciting video because we have this 4 car lineup today and it's gonna be boom. We have GT2 RS, 997 Turbo, 911 Turbo S and BMW M5 competition. So this is the lineup right now and I'm gonna be explaining and give a small walk around of all the cars from back and forth angle. So first to start with, we have this BMW M5 competition looking stunning in this grey shade, and the headlights of the car is so appealing, and the logo of the BMW, it's different from the standard. The M5 Comp. Wow. So this is how the car is looking from the side angle. An interesting part of the car is that it has got white seats with white leather stitching seats. Wow. It's clean. And this is the back of the M5 with the carbon fiber diffuser and spoiler, shining as always. M5 Comp, and it has got Akrapovic exhaust. Damn. So this is the car. Now quickly head towards this Turbo S. So this is the 911 Turbo S, the second car which belongs to Dr. Nene, the husband of Mrs. Madhuri Dixit. Wow. So this is how the car is looking from the front. Porsche logo. And this is the massive headlights of the Porsche. And the car is shining in this silver grey pearl finished color. So it has got a dash cam. Didn't know, the Porsche logo at the side. And it has got rare leather interior seats. The car is quite beautiful. So this is the back part of the car, Turbo S. It's smooth and fast, but it is not loud. So this is the spoiler of the car, which has got center locking, which is quite expensive. And this is the passenger seating. And the interior, the car looks like this somewhat. So far this is the Turbo S and the BMW M5. Now head towards the 997 Turbo. The logo, there's the racing strips. So the fun fact, the car has got the BBS wheels. Whoa, BBS alloys wheels. And this is what the interior looks like, a black leather stitching seat. Wow, it has got Sport Contact 7 tire. So this is how the car looks from the back, and it has got an aftermarket exhaust. I don't know the name because it has got this golden bronze color finish exhaust. I believe it's an aftermarket exhaust. It has also got a spoiler here. Wow, beautiful. But this Turbo S 992 generation is quite more beautiful than the previous one. Passenger seat area, 911 Turbo 997 generation. Now head towards my favorite. There is a Porsche. Yes, today is the Porsche again. So we have this Porsche 911 GT2 RS, which has got carbon fiber panels and more panels and parts all over the car. Firstly, to start with, this is the car, and this is how she looks from the front. GT2 RS carbon fiber spoiler front skirt, even the bonnet carbon finish, the air intake. This car is looking quite beautiful than all of the rest because it has got carbon fiber all over the wing, the air intake, the front skirts, the side skirts and the back skirts. A lot of skirts. This is how the GT2 RS is, the badging. And the car looks like this from the front. A complete package from start to end. A beautiful shape designed with yellow racing calipers. And this is how the car looks from the back. A big spoiler with carbon fiber diffuser, which Warsteiner kit, and it has got an emblem of 70th anniversary. Wow, this is how the car looks from the back with GT2 RS badging. And carbon fiber. Look at she glows. Look at the glow of the fiber. It's written Porsche. The roll cage. Man, it's made for the track purpose. And this is how the car looks from the side, which has got the center locking as well from Michelin Pilot Sports 4. A beautiful tire sets. See, Michelin. Carbon fiber check, carbon fiber side skirts, carbon fiber mirror, carbon fiber roof, and carbon fiber wing, carbon fiber diffuser. A lot of carbon fiber, which makes this car much lighter. This is how the car looks from the back. Look at how they have parked the car with style. Looks like a proper meetup of the Porsche. Damn, man. Now let me give you a 360 from the side. Oh man, they sound so good. See. So you don't get to see the cars like this on every day except on Sundays. Bro, this is how the cars are looking from the front. Wow. I'm so lucky today to spot all the cars over here, the GT2 RS, 997 Turbo, 911 Turbo S and the BMW M5. Wow man, it's a dream come true for every petrol head in India. And I have seen the GT3 RS which was parked over there. And yes, today it was a memory day. I have took photos of every car from every angle possible. And the heat stroke, it's very hot in here, but that was fun man. कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. So you have to work hard to spot these cars. Work hard means you have to spot in this extreme sunlight. So this is it, and man, I'm lucky to spot all the cars. So this is the public reaction. So you want to hear them going, I mean the cold start and the engine sound when I am waiting for them to go. Yes, so far this is the day. Yes, wow, today was the memorable Sunday. Yes, thank you for watching. Wow. So right now this is a cold start. Wow.
तो ये कोई चार्ज हो रहा है?
So that was the lineup of all the Porsches, and we are still at GT3 coming. Let me show you. अरे क्या तुम लोग बीच में आ रहे हो यार?